welcome back students to standard 10th maths chapter 10 circles, and we are in the 8th session, children. Now here so far we have solved 17 results, the proofs we have seen, correct? Now we proceed further, and that is the 18th one. It is theorem 10.2, page 211, and this is of 10th standard, children. Okay, ये 10th का theorem है, so you will have to enter this in your book. Okay, let us see the statement. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. All right, we'll try to understand that. First, I draw a circle. Okay, here is a circle with center O. The lengths of tangents, see, tangents, more than one, drawn from an external point. Yes, the point is outside. Suppose that point, this is circle and this point is outside the circle. Let's say P is the point and O is the center. Then the lengths of the tangent drawn from this point to the circle are equal. Acha, let's draw the tangents. Children, how many tangents are possible to draw from a point in the external? 2, correct? Here is point. Alright? T1 and T2. They are two tangents. Okay? T1 touches the circle at point A. T2 touches the circle at point B. Children, what do you mean by tangents? Tangents means lines. And lines cannot have length. Line की length नहीं हो सकती है. Which is the first tangent? T1. Okay, on it which 2 points are there? A and P, where A is the point of contact and P is the exterior point. So this red line segment AP, it is called length of tangent T1. Is that clear? In the same manner, what is the length of tangent T2? Actually, T2 is a line. The tangent is a line. And line cannot have length. Correct? But for tangents, we do have length. Point of contact is B. Point in the exterior is P. So, line segment joining B and P. Alright? That is length of tangent T2. So, we have to prove the lengths of tangent drawn from point P in the external point of the circle are equal. So we have to prove PA equal to PB. Okay? How can we do that? अब हम थोड़ा 9th standard में जो congruent triangles के बारे में सीखे थे उसको याद करेंगे. Alright? You can show that PA and PB are equal if they are the sides of two congruent triangles. Okay, let's see how we get PA as a side of one triangle. Okay, children, T1 is the tangent, O is the center, A is the point of contact. So let us draw the radius through the point of contact. You know it is perpendicular, correct? Same way, children. B is the point of contact, O is the center of the circle. So draw the line segment joining O and B. That is perpendicular to the tangent. Yes, children. Now it is easy. You got blue side PB, blue side OB, third side if you can draw. And yes, it is PO. Same way. You have red side PA, you have red side OA. This is going to be also the side of red triangle. Correct? So this is going to be the common side. Yes. So finally we got two triangles, the red triangle and blue triangle. Now we have 5 conditions to show that these two triangles are congruent. Let's see if that is possible. चलिए, एक right angle आपको मिल गया है ना? So one corresponding part is congruent. OA and OB, are they equal? Yes. Why? Radii of the same circle. So let me make sign OA equal to OB. So two corresponding paths congruent मिले, angle A equal to angle B, OA equal to OB. If we get third part and any one of those 5 conditions is satisfied, then these two triangles are going to be congruent. बोलो कोई एंगल मिलेगा, साइड मिलेगी? यस, कॉमन साइड. ऐसे 3 मार्क करेंगे कॉमन साइड बताने के लिए. राइट. सो for red triangle and blue triangle we got 3 corresponding paths congruent, equal. So let's see which condition is satisfied. There is right angle, उसके सामने की side hypotenuse, and one more side. See here, right angle, the side opposite to that is hypotenuse, and one more side. So by RHS these two triangles are congruent. So PA equal to PB. All right. I am writing the data first, children. Data. T1 and T2 are tangents from point P in the exterior of circle whose center is O and the radius is small r. Okay, and A and B, T1 का are the points of contacts respectively. Correct? But that is what is given. What do you have to prove? To prove, yeah, PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Correct? Now let's start the proof. Now this is perpendicular, so right angle वो दिखाने के लिए ये तो कॉमन साइड डायरेक्ट मिल गया, ये रेडियस डायरेक्ट मिल गया, बट यू हैव टू शो कि एंगल OAP is right angle and angle OBP is right angle. Why they are right angle? Yes, because these are radii drawn through the point of contacts. So T1 and T2 are tangents to circle with center O and radius R, and A and B are their points of contact, right? Therefore OA is perpendicular to PA, yeah, T1 you can say if you want, and OB is perpendicular to T2, i.e. angle OAP equal to OBP equal to 90 degree. Reason, right angles. Correct? चलिए इसको मैं result 1 कहूँ, ये दोनों equal है. So now you can pick up the two triangles. Now in red triangle APO and blue triangle BPO. Yes, which paths are congruent? एक तो ये एंगल AOP is equal, दूसरा OA is equal, तीसरा OP is equal. Correct? Now angle OAP is equal to angle OBP. You can say by 1. OA equal to OB. You can say radii, and OP equal to OP. You can say common side. Correct? Therefore, a correspondence red triangle corresponds to blue triangle is congruence. By which condition, children? By right angle hypotenuse side, by RHS rule. ठीक है? All right. रेड का मैं लिख दूं या APO ही लिख दूं, APO dash dash dash. All right. Do we have any equal angles? Yes. ये रहा. बीच में देखो A and here बीच में B. So A corresponds to B. Red A corresponds to blue B. So A is in the first order, so B will come in the first order. Now that you know A corresponds to B, you can say O corresponds to O. O is in the last order, O will be in the last order. अब क्या बच गया? ब्लू ट्राइंगल में O और B, O और B आ गया, बच गया P. So that is P here. Correct? Yes. So खेल खत्म. PA equal to PB. Therefore, PA equal to PB by congruent paths of congruent triangles by CP/CT, i.e. tangents are equal. Proved. Children, I have written it properly. I needed big figure, so I have drawn that as well. So please enter this in your notebook. Is that clear? Fine. So children, that was 18th one. Very important results we are going to use there. Correct? Okay. When the two tangents are drawn, correct? Two tangents are drawn from point in the exterior of circle, then length of these two tangents are equal. See how we use that in solving this result. Number 19. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that sum of length of one pair of opposite side is equal to the sum of lengths of other opposite sides. Okay, let me draw the figure first and then we'll try to understand that. Okay. Children, here is one circle. Okay, this is one circle. You can understand outer circle. Alright. Now there, quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes the circle. Means all four sides of quadrilateral touch the circle. So let me draw one side. Let's say this is AB. Then let me draw the second side, BC, then the third side, BC, and now this point is D. I'll have to make little alteration here. And this is the fourth side. So A will be here, correct? Not there. So let me erase this part. Oh, this point D is here. So we have quadrilateral ABCD. You can see AB touches the circle, BC touches the circle, CD touches the circle, and AD also touches the circle. This quadrilateral is called quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Now what we have to prove? Prove that sum of length of one pair of opposite sides. Boliye, which is opposite side? AB and CD. That is one pair of opposite side. AD and BC, that is other pair of opposite side. So you have to prove that the sum of length of one pair, the sum of length of one pair of opposite side is equal to sum of lengths of other pair of opposite sides. So that is what you have to prove. Okay, what is data? Very simple data, children. Quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes a circle विथ सेंटर ओ, उसको सेंटर ओ बता देते हैं, एंड सम रेडियस आर, दैट्स इट, और कुछ नहीं दिया है, राइट। टू प्रूव बोलिए AD and CD, AB and CD, they are one pair of opposite side. Sum of length, so total, is equal to BC and AD, that is the second pair of opposite side. So sum of length of one pair of opposite side is equal to sum of lengths of other pair. Sum of lengths of one pair is equal to sum of lengths of other pair of opposite sides. This is what we are supposed to prove. How to prove that, children? अब कैसे prove करेंगे? Children, did you observe this quadrilateral? Look at its vertices A, B, C, D. All the vertices, they are in the exterior of circle. And BC touches the circle, BA touches the circle. That means BC and BA are tangents. Okay, so the length of the tangents would be equal. C is a point in the exterior, CD is tangent, CB is tangent. So length of the tangents are equal. Same way D, same way A. So we need the points of contact. Suppose AB touches the circle at point P, BC touches the circle at point Q, and CD touches the point at R, and finally AD touches the circle at point S. Children, by the previous theorem 10.2, BQ equal to BP होता है कि नहीं? CQ equal to CR होता है कि नहीं? DR equal to DS, is that so? And AS is equal to AP. So at all four corners, we can apply theorem 10.2, which says if a tangent is drawn through a point in the exterior of a circle, then their lengths are equal. So here, are you getting me, children? Now, कुछ देखना पड़ेगा, यहाँ कुछ देखना पड़ेगा और समझना पड़ेगा. AB को देखो. AB is now divided into two parts, PA and PB, है ना? AB is what? PA plus PB. Same way, यहाँ ये प्लस लिखता हूं, और ये CD, that is RC plus RD, और यहाँ BC, QB plus QC, और ये प्लस AD, SA plus SD, ऐसा कुछ मुझे चाहिए. If you want to prove this AB plus CD, you'll have to get this PA plus PB plus RC plus RD. This is okay. चलिए, मैं ये सारे पार्ट को ग्रीन कर देता हूं. PA, PB, RC और RD, और यहां भी ग्रीन कर देता हूं. PA ये, देन PB ये, RC this, और RD this. ऑलराइट, सेम वे यहां QB और QC रेड कर देता हूं. QB, QC, SA और SD. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, now let's start the proof. A point A lies in the exterior of circle with center O and radius R, and बोलो AB and AD are its tangents. Correct? AB and AD are its tangents. Okay children, I think पहले और कुछ लिखना चाहिए, so I'll just remove this. ये point PQRS लिखना चाहिए ना हमको. So proof I start from here. You may cancel this. All right? quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes a circle with center O and radius R. Therefore, AB, BC, CD and AD are its tangents. Correct? They are its tangents. Okay, children? Let AB this side, BC this side, CD and DA touch the circle with center and radius R at points. पहले P, then Q, then R and S respectively. Alright children, is that clear? Therefore children बराबर देखो, ये क्या है? पहला वाला ग्रीन में PA है ना, सो PA इक्वल टू AS मिलेगा कि नहीं? PA इक्वल टू SA, राइट? फिर दूसरा वाला को पिकअप करो, PB इक्वल टू QB, PB इक्वल टू QB. लुक एट द थर्ड वन, RC चाहिए अब, RC इक्वल टू QC, RC इक्वल टू QC. करेक्ट? और एक चीज बाकी रह गई, RD इक्वल टू SD, RD इक्वल टू SD. Did you get me children? Did you notice something? All green paths I wrote on left hand side and all red paths I wrote on right hand side. Okay? Call it result 1 by theorem. Correct? Yeah. PA and SA, length of the tangent from A. PB and QB, length of the tangent from B. RC and QC, length of the tangent from C. And RD and SD, length of the tangent from D. They are equal. Yes, finished. Ab Euclid's property. Using Euclid's property in one, we get sum of left hand side, PA plus PB plus RC plus RD is equal to right hand side, SA plus QB plus QC plus SD. मिला ना? Now you see what is PA plus PB? PA plus PB. What is that? AB. What is RC plus RD? RC plus RD. What is that? CD is equal to. What is SA plus QB? SA plus SD. यहां है, अरेंज नहीं है. SA plus SD मिलेगा. SA plus SD, that is AD. और ये जो बचा QB plus QC, that is BC. All right? Correct? You can say prove. लेकिन क्यों? रीजन तो चाहिए ना. क्या रीजन लिखोगे? Because A dash P dash B, B dash Q dash C, C dash R dash D and D dash S dash A. Clear to you children? Please enter this in your notebook. Don't forget. Alright children? Fine. So children, now we are going to use this result that we have proved in the next sum. Be careful. Let us recall the result. What result we have? If quadrilateral circumscribe a circle, then one pair of opposite side AB and CD, the sum of this is equal to sum of other pair of opposite side BC plus AD. Is that clear to you? So that was 19th one. Moving ahead to 20 and 21. All right. दिखता है बराबर? Fine. Now, let's see 20th. It is from exercise 10.2 and 11th sum of standard 10. Standard नहीं लिखा, so that is standard 10 on page number 214. So this 20 also you have to copy in your book. Is that clear? Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Children, we saw here a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Now we have to draw a parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Correct? So you have to take care when you draw that parallelogram. ठीक है. This is number 20. Alright. Let me draw a circle. I am drawing a small circle because I have to circumscribe a quadrilateral. Okay. This is the center O. Normally we call it O. Correct. Now I am going to draw parallelogram. Children, ये लाइट हैंड से मैं ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं. एक साइड, ये दूसरी साइड. ओके, दोनों पैरेलल ड्रॉ किया. नाउ दिस इज द अदर साइड. उसी को पैरेलल ड्रॉ करो एंड इट शुड टच द सर्कल ऑल्सो. राइट. अब मैं डार्क कर रहा हूं दिस पार्ट, दिस पार्ट, this side and this side. Correct? This extended line I can just remove. All right, children? So here is parallelogram ABCD. Correct? Which circumscribe a circle. What we have to prove? It is rhombus. Children, doesn't it look like rhombus? Yes. Now when is a quadrilateral rhombus? A parallelogram having all sides equal. Correct? A parallelogram having all, because parallelogram is already given. The quadrilateral which is circumscribing a circle is a parallelogram. Parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So if parallelogram has adjacent sides equal or all sides equal, then it is a rhombus. Correct, children? Okay. What is the data? Parallelogram, this is the symbol. ABCD circumscribes circle with center O and some radius R. That's it. What we have to prove? Sorry, to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Quite easy. We'll prove it easily. Proof. Children, this quadrilateral, though it is a parallelogram, it is circumscribing. So AB plus CD is equal to BC plus DA. The previous result. And next, AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD because it is a parallelogram. So I'll start with that first. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. कहां से मिला? By data. Therefore, AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD, and BC is equal to AD. Call it result number 1. All right. Also, quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes circle with center O and radius R. Again that we have by data. Therefore, AB plus CD, AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD, BC plus AD. By result, चलिए, what is AB equal to CD? प्लस सी डी रखो. व्हाट इज बी सी इक्वल टू, यहां देखो बी सी इक्वल टू ए डी, और नेक्स्ट टर्म इज प्लस ए डी बाय 1. Therefore 2 times CD is equal to 2 times AD. 2 cancel. Therefore CD is equal to AD. Therefore CD is equal to AD. CD कहाँ है? ये. AD कहाँ है? ये. Correct? But this CD is also equal to AB, opposite side. And this AD is also equal to BC, the opposite side to that. Correct? CD equal to AD, so CD equal to AD, and that is equal to AB equal to BC. I.e. all sides of parallelogram ABCD are equal. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Prove. Children, you will have to enter this in your notebook. ये 10th का है. Did you get that? Fine. Now 21st. It is of standard 9. So सिर्फ proof देखेंगे, आपको लिखना नहीं है. Exercise 10.5 text की 12th sum है, page 186 पे. Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Now this parallelogram was circumscribing the circle, and this parallelogram is cyclic. ये अलग है, cyclic parallelogram. Now what do you mean by cyclic parallelogram? Whose all 4 vertices lie on the circle. Here all 4 sides touch the circle. Correct? चलिए, let me draw circle first. ठीक है, I'll take 4 points on it. और क्वाड्रिलेटरल ज्वाइन कर दूं. देखो मैंने ध्यान रखा क्योंकि ये पैरेललोग्राम है. ऑल 4 वर्टाइसिस आर लाइंग ऑन द सर्कल. ये सब सर्कल पे है. उतना ही नहीं, वो पैरेललोग्राम भी है. सो देखो ये साइड और ये साइड पैरेलल है और लगता है रेक्टेंगल जैसा लगता है. करेक्ट? ओके. सो व्हाट इज डेटा हियर? ओके, नो नीड टू राइट डेटा. क्वाड्रिलेटरल एबीसीडी इज parallelogram, cyclic parallelogram. All right, we have to prove it's a rectangle. Children, ये parallelogram तो है ही. If one of the angle is right angle, then it is rectangle. आपको rectangle prove करना है. You have to prove that it is rectangle. It is already a parallelogram. देखो ये parallelogram में एक एंगल जो right angle मिल गया तो काम बन गया. All right, now देखो ये पैरेललोग्राम है. सो एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल सी, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी डी इज अ पैरेललोग्राम बाय डेटा. देयरफॉर एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल सी, कॉल इट रिजल्ट 1. ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. नाउ हियर क्वाड्रिलेटरल एबीसीडी इज आल्सो साइक्लिक. क्वाड्रिलेटरल एबीसीडी is also cyclic by data. Correct? Therefore, opposite angles are supplementary. The sum of measures, we have proved this result also. So, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 by result. Alright? Now, what is angle A? That is angle C plus angle C is equal to 180. 2 times angle C is equal to 180. 2 1s are 2 90s are. So angle C is equal to 90. Angle C is 90. एक एंगल 90 मिल गया. Correct? Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Proved by definition. Clear to you, children? So that's all for this session. See you in the next session very soon. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.